You want an easy chicken pot pie recipe? I've got you covered. Chicken pot pie might sound like a big project, but it's honestly a one-pan, one-hour solution to all your comfort food cravings. Let's keep it hassle-free and delicious. Step 1. Rotisserie chicken. Yep, store-bought. You're saving time and avoiding the whole waiting an hour for chicken to roast ordeal. Shred about 3 cups of the meat. It's ready before you can even say, shortcuts are gold. Next, the veggie mix. Frozen mixed vegetables are your best friend here. No chopping, no peeling. Just dump about 2 cups into a pan. Peas, carrots, corn, it's all there, perfectly prepped for you by modern convenience. Grab a medium-sized skillet. Melt a third cup of salted butter and toss in 1/3 cup all-purpose flour. Stir it constantly for about 2 minutes. What you're making here is a roux. Fancy name, simple purpose, thickening. Slowly pour in 3/4 cups chicken broth and 2/3 cup milk while stirring. This is where the magic happens, transforming that roux into a creamy, velvety sauce. Keep stirring and expect people to drift into the kitchen, sniffing. Add in the shredded chicken and vegetables. Season the whole lot with salt, pepper, a dash of onion powder, and maybe some garlic powder if you're into it. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes to blend the flavors. Here's where it gets even easier. Pre-made pie crusts. No one has time to make dough from scratch on a Tuesday night. Lay 1 crust into a pie dish, pour in the filling, then carefully place the second crust on top. Seal the edges with a fork or your fingers. Don't skip this step unless you want your filling to go rogue in the oven. Then cut a few slits in the top crust to let steam escape. This isn't a step, it's strategy. Bake it at 425 degrees Fahrenheit 120 Celsius for about 30 minutes. Set a timer, scroll your phone, or binge an episode of something. Just keep an eye on the oven. When the crust's golden brown, it's officially dinner time. Let it cool for 10 minutes after taking it out of the oven. I know, waiting is torture, but molten fillings are nobody's friend. Use that time to grab some plates, or find a good movie to pair with it. It serves about 6 people, but let's be real. You'll probably go back for seconds. And why not? You made it. You took something that sounds complicated and made it look effortless. You're basically winning the dinner Olympics. Pro tip, make an extra one and freeze it. Nothing beats having a homemade pot pie ready for those emergency, what do I even cook tonight moments. Thank me later when future you is grinning ear to freezer.